What's up guys, welcome back to another video of ours. It's me and Josh back with our series of trying new games. Today we really didn't feel like filming our Mining to Glory, but we're just trying this game again. We've learnt a bit about it. I think I remember the names like doors. Just saying, if you wonder why me and Josh are just chatting about things, well, it's not specifically going to happen, but me and Josh might be chatting about things outside of game a little bit, because we literally haven't spoke for about 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Another thing is, I never noticed that there was eyes in there.
Why is it blocked off?
Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, let's go. Do you remember when that girl sent me death threats?
Oh yeah.
Let's not chat about that. Don't chat about that in detail.
Didn't you get?
Shut up.
Roblox character?
Shut up. Yeah, I found out who they were. Everything's sorted in that situation now. Am I going to start with anything?
I could.
Yeah, grab us a lighter, will ya?
I'd probably buy a lighter, but it's more fun trying to find it.
I'll get key if you wait at the door.
Oh, I break the bell.
Oh yeah, we need to do our bell of good luck in it.
Wait, is that a lighter?
Oh, if it's not pick upable, it's not a lighter.
Yeah, we gotta wait for each other as well, like not just sprint through doors.
Yeah, I can agree on that. Jesus, my laptop screen's so dirty. Oh, where's a key in here?
Yeah, try and search everything.
Yeah, we need a lighter ASAP. Because I think there's a lighter in one. I think it's one in every 60 drawers. So if we miss one, we're going to be waiting a while.
Yeah. The painting is called Goldie's Sack.
I also learned, I went through a game a bit without you, Josh. No, I don't mean it in a rude way, but I was so bored, so I just played the game a bit. And I found out what that monster with the eye is called and when he's chasing you. Oh, head down, there's probably eyes in here somewhere. Or Screech.
Yeah,
Oh, that's handy, the leather's right by the door.
Oh, that's nice. I was about to walk off. I feel like the lights are gonna flicker any second.
Yeah, same. Oh, it's past door 12 that Rush comes, so. Oh, locker.
Yeah, you heard that. You can't stay there too long, otherwise that spider-looking thing's gonna come down on us.
Screech, I hate him so much. Shitting hell.
I found the leather.
Nice one, man. In Fortnite, just saying, the lever action shotgun's back.
Yeah, I know, I've been playing a bit.
Let's not go up there. Oh. There. Oh, yes, we found a lighter.
Oh, spider! Ah!
Oh, you got Timothy. The spider, he's called Timothy.
Oh.
The one that comes from the ceiling is called Screech. The one that comes out of drawers is called Timothy. I've never died from Timothy.
Same. It does no damage.
He does a little bit.
Yeah, it does a teeniest bit.
He does 1/10.
I'm scared. Why was there knocking in that room as well?
Dunno. Was that flickering?
Yeah. pay so close attention now.
We're getting a lot of rushes. We can see Seek soon now.
That. No, shut the light then.
Where are you?
I'm looking for drawers.
Yeah, this is exactly what the secret corridor looks like. It's just not. We're gonna start seeing eyes soon. Flickering.
Vent!
Ambush is so common in vents. Hulk, go the other way.
What's happening?
I don't know, just keep going.
I died. You died to who you call Holt. And you must run away from it. However, it may appear in front of you at any time.
Keep telling me to turn around.
Yeah, I'll spectate you. Yeah, ow!
Oh my god, I survived Hulk.
Oh, there's an eye.
Oh no, Seek's coming.
That's not good. Oh, flicker.
Oh, it's just the eyes.
Oh, I swear I saw the lights flicker. Okay, did you hear that knocking, or is that just...
Yeah, it is knocking. It's weird. Oh, Seek.
Or not?
No, Seek.
Yeah.
First time we've got Seek on camera.
As well. Okay, I can't even see him. Like, I'm looking behind you, but I can't see him. Oh, I seen him.
What was I supposed to do there? Let's be honest.
Wait, click play again.
Guys, we're gonna do like entity by entity, so that's all for this today's video. So, hope you guys enjoyed. It's a bit of a short one, but we're gonna be posting a bit of our other series today. So, stay tuned. Anyway, see you guys. Peace out. Bye.